Shu, the Egyptian god of air, light and order in ancient Egyptian mythology. Shu is a key figure. He represents air, light, and order. As a primordial god, Shu deeply influenced Egyptian beliefs and tradition. Shu is shown as a man with an ostrich feather headdress. This symbolizes lightness and emptiness. He separated the sky goddess not from the earth god. This act allowed for life and the separation of the heavens and earth. Shu is also linked to air, wind, and sunlight. He was seen as a calming force, keeping balance with man. This balance is about truth, justice, and order. Shu's kindness and role in maintaining order made him highly respected. During the New Kingdom era, Shu's importance grew. His solar connections became more clear. He was often shown with his wife Tefnut. Together, they created the sky and earth. Shu's legacy still fascinates those who study ancient Egyptian mythology. His role in their cosmology shows the depth and complexity of their beliefs. Shu's attributes, Shu's associations: ostrich feather, headdress, air, wind; lightness with scepter, Ankh strength; life, renewal, standing on the body of Geb; separation of sky and earth; lion-headed form, strength, courage, nobility. Shu, the god of air. Baya was revered for his role in separating the sky from the earth, allowing for the existence of life itself.